In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly install your new flexible vinyl plank or tile flooring using either a releasable or permanent glue-down method. For complete installation details, be sure to consult the instructions that came with your particular flooring. First, let's take a quick look at the tools you'll need. Flush cut saw, paint roller, level, moisture meter, finish nailer, install kit that includes hammer, spacers, pull bar, and a tapping block, floor putty and putty knife, chalk line, vacuum, floor adhesive and trowel, tape measure, pencil and straight edge. Be sure to acclimate your new flooring and adhesive by placing it in the room for at least 48 hours before installation. Optimal temperatures to acclimate, install, and maintain your flooring range from 55 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, a successful vinyl floor starts with proper preparation underneath, since imperfections in the subfloor can telegraph to the surface of the new flooring. First, remove any existing flooring and underlayment, correcting any low spots greater than 3/16 of an inch over a 10-foot span or 1/32 of an inch over a 1-foot span. Also fill any cracks or gaps of 3/16 of an inch or wider with a Portland-based cement. Then use a moisture meter to ensure the subfloor is sufficiently dry. Keep in mind, a concrete subfloor will also require a moisture test. Next, using a handsaw or flush cut saw, undercut any door casings as needed. For casings that need to be trimmed, prop the flush cut saw on top of a scrap piece of the new flooring to ensure correct height. Flooring should slide easily under each casing. Vacuum the subfloor thoroughly to remove any debris. Your subfloor should now be flat, smooth, and clean, ready for installation. Porous subfloor surfaces will require an additional step of priming with an acrylic latex primer. Now you're ready to start the installation. Once the subfloor has been prepped, measure the short dimension of the room and divide by the width of the planks, or tiles depending on your particular flooring. Plan ahead to be sure the first and last rows will be at least half the width of the planks. Next, measure the long dimension of the room and divide by the length of the planks, ensuring the first and final planks in each row measure at least 8 inches long. Snap a chalk line along your starting wall so that you have a straight line to work from. For a releasable installation, fully saturate a 3/8 inch nap paint roller with the pressure-sensitive adhesive and apply an even, heavy coat to the subfloor. The adhesive should have an orange peel texture. For a permanent installation, use the U-notch trowel to uniformly apply the pressure-sensitive adhesive. Some adhesives will include a clip-on attachment for your trowel with the proper notch size. For either method, wait for the adhesive to dry to the touch, ensuring no adhesive transfers to your fingers before laying the flooring. Some flexible LVT products have arrows on the bottom indicating which direction the planks should face. Make sure all of the arrows are facing the same direction as you lay the product. Use a straight edge and utility knife to score and snap the plank to length. Once the adhesive is ready, lay the planks in place and smooth the surface. Pro tip: install flooring using planks from several cartons to ensure a more natural blend of colors throughout the floor, and be sure to inspect each plank closely before laying it. Remember, pieces at the beginning and end of each row must measure at least 8 inches long, and joints should be offset by at least 12 inches between rows. Once all the planks are down, use a push broom to work out any air bubbles, moving them out toward the walls. For a permanent installation, finish by rolling the entire floor with a 100-pound roller. You can walk on your new floor immediately after installation, but wait at least 72 hours before wet mopping.